Good afternoon to all of you, and my apologies, I was slightly delayed in the traffic. Thank you, UNICEF, thank you, DEF, Osama Bhai in particular, for inviting me, for making this presentation. Now, as this gets loaded, SMS DEF consultation.
This one.
I think some slides have got missed out.
I'm sorry.
What are missed
This is
out?
not first slide, I guess.
No. Anyway, I think I can manage with this. Yeah. Apologies for this. I'm Chetan Sharma from Data Mission Foundation. So some of the introductory slides have been missing here, but I would like to just explain you, and the presentation would be available on Vichitra with DEF. Data Mission Foundation is a community organization working in the health and education for past more than 10 years. And the fact that we've been working in health, working on maternal child health issues for last several years, working in the rural areas, gave us the confidence to use mobile technology in order to reach out to the pregnant as well as the new mothers. Now, based on experience, we have been working on a variety of digital media for spreading health awareness and health messages, and the impact of some of these messages has been mixed because of issues relating to particularly access, relating to reach, and the fact that women in particular have huge barriers in order to access centralized locations because of timing, because of cultural barriers, because of so many other barriers. So we were looking ourselves for certain cost-effective solutions that we could deploy for cost-effective as well as something that can work in context of rural India in particular. But I'd like to just take you through some of the earlier modules. For example, this is a multimedia module that was deployed for breast cancer, early detection, early cure. And this module are all in Hindi, interactive modules, and women can access it on PCs. In fact, these have been deployed in our central UP, where again the mobile technology has been deployed, as well as in Seelampur, Zafrabad, which is a UNESCO initiative for last more than 10 years. So we have found that women in particular have been extremely responsive to multimedia technology. They've been able to interact, they've been able to ask questions, they've been able to express their views in front of the computer far more actively than they would. And in any case, when there's a facilitator that works along with the computers, she is able to respond and answer these questions. Shishu Sambandhi Jankariyan, early childhood care, as you can see from the buttons, what is the safe motherhood, breastfeeding, the height and weight measurement of the child, because the areas that we work in particular have shown very poor indicators pertaining to infant mortality as well as morbidity. So we have been extremely careful with respect to deploying appropriate content. In fact, there's an immunization module which we developed early enough in partnership with UNICEF. The immunization module also has been deployed in some of our project site. So this is the historical context. How we our work in the health sector enabled us to use mobile technology, and this is the backdrop of the project that we all know. I'm sorry, this version of we all know that maternal child health issue is a challenge in our country. particularly in some of the areas where the Data Mission Foundation has been working.
These two?
No, I want this PPT first.
Sure.
Put it on the slideshow, that's what the...
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Request you to be here because those PDF files also would have to be accessed. Friends, we are talking of area which is almost equivalent to continental Europe without any exaggeration. Central Uttar Pradesh, 15 districts, I think would be Netherlands, Luxembourg, and several other countries put together. And on top of it, poor health infrastructure. We are talking about the public health infrastructure, the government-funded health infrastructure, and near absence of a private health infrastructure, particularly in the rural areas. So all this has resulted in lack of institutional deliveries. When we started working, we noticed that more than 55 to 60% deliveries were being done at home by DAIs, which are the health workers, as well as many of those deliveries were resulting in very, very unsafe conditions. No wonder. In central Uttar Pradesh had one of the highest incidents of mortality. Now looking at this and with all these indicators in mind itself, the National Rural Health Mission was conceptualized, and we all know that the fact that the women need to be encouraged to undergo institutional delivery in any kind of health facility, that was a vital component of Janani Suraksha Yojana, which has been there for now more than 4 years and bringing about some very active results. And one of the active components of Janani Suraksha Yojana is the Asha worker. So the Asha is called Asha Behan in some states, some places it is called. There are different things, but the term what it indicates is a health social worker who is a community mobilizer, working with the community, working door to door, working with the pregnant women and ensuring the institutional delivery, and also working as a link worker between the health and the public facility and the household for ensuring safe motherhood as well as the early child care once the woman has delivered. We somehow felt that looking at the geographic inaccessibility and the fact that early studies on some of the impact evaluation that we had done on the usage of the radio and the print media were showing a near absence of any awareness, any this, we felt mobile technology could play a very effective role. So this is how we started working. But we were not under any illusion, because I'm myself a technologist, but today I take pride in the work that we have done in health sector. We were very aware that we needed to superimpose the technology with extensive community mobilization and our own health workers working alongside the ASHA and the government health infrastructure in order to spread the messages. So the community mobilization, the pictures of which you are seeing from the Katri block of Ghatampur Tehsil, Kanpur Dehat district, which subsequently was scaled up as a result of Vodafone Foundation DEF support, to Kakori block, Lucknow district. So the pamphlets, the brochures and the health workers are distributing these. The health worker, you can see, is explaining to the women the health messages and how the health messages was delivered. There is a huge data ecosystem here. In my modest opinion, no development project, particularly that of technology, can work without a very effective data backbone. So each and every woman was profiled. That data is also available to you for your audit and for your scrutiny with DEF, because we are not here to make exaggerated claims about our work and nor give any misleading results. It is all auditable in public domain. So the women were all profiled. And after the profiling, now you are seeing here a newly married woman. Now, newly married women, cultural barriers, social barriers, a lot of questions, a lot of these, I don't know how to ask, whom to ask, mother-in-law is the intimidating. So the health workers answering those questions. And what are those messages? Chitra, I'm going to need your help again in bringing up those PDF. Now again, the English ends where probably the boundary of this hotel would end, or somewhere there in Heartland. No one understands English. So for the pregnant women, there were messages that from day 1 and the week 5th, अगर आप अभी तक नहीं किया है तो नज़दीक के स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में जाकर खून और पेशाब की जांच जरूर कराएं. अगर आपने अभी एंटी टेटनस सुई नहीं लगवाई है तो जल्द लगवाएं. So this you profile the woman, and on the day 1st of the 5th week of pregnancy, this message is delivered on the handset. So this working with the health workers, ensuring that you had a customized message, and it needed to be extremely accurate, friends, because we are dealing with lives here. So therefore, a second level check, third level check, the fact that the technology which got strengthened as a result, delivery, we have a robust platform because it was found that every second home, if not a woman had an access to a mobile phone, she had a phone with the mobile, with her father-in-law or with husband or with a neighbor. And we knew that the message would stay there. So she would read it at her convenience, or our health worker would go and make her read the message. But this was the crux. गाजर, खीरा और पत्ता गोभी जैसी सब्जियों को कच्चा खाएं, इसमें विटामिन और मिनरल अधिक मात्रा में होता है. This is a regular message. So you're giving a message on the nutrition for all those who may not have understood Hindi. So the messages on nutrition, message on. So there's this huge repository of messages which has to be given. For example, in the 13th वीक ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, अगर आपने 3 महीने तक लगातार गोलियां खाई हैं और फोलिक एसिड की गोली लेना बंद कर दिया है, तो आयरन और कैल्शियम की गोलियां लेना शुरू करें, या आपके नज़दीक के स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में मिलकर जाएं. वी वर अंडर नो इल्यूजन दैट मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी विल कम एंड क्रिएट अ मैजिक एंड माई बियरली सेंडिंग SMS alerts. So there was full whole partnership program with the ASHA worker, with the primary health center, where the full integration and the health workers continue being on the ground. So this is as far as the pregnant women is concerned. So the impact is something which I'll share later. An independent impact evaluation and assessments have been carried out by various academia and institutions. The government is a key component, is a key partner. But with respect to the post-delivery, the messages, which again is a very important point. For example, we are seeing that even the initiation of the breastfeeding, when does it get done? I mean, the baby needs to be fed. And women are not necessarily aware, so you'll see the indicators there. The registration of the child, the birth itself, the weight, when the weight has to be taken. अगर आप कभी हल्का बुखार महसूस कर सकती हैं, परंतु अगर बुखार तेज है या लगातार है तो डॉक्टर की सलाह जरूर लें. इस समय वजन ना उठाएं. Day 5th in the first week after the delivery. Second day, जब तक शिशु सिर्फ माँ का दूध ले रहा है तब तक उसमें पानी मिलाने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. No need to mix water if you're giving breastfeeding to the baby. So all those kind of customized messages, very very specialized messages. अगर आपके जनन अंगों का श्राव हो, if you're having a discharge from your reproductive organs which is of red or yellow, this thing, so then you have to be very careful about your cleanliness and hygiene. So it is as customized as this. So I think I will skip these messages, but these are again available on these. What we are seeing as a result of this, and we are truly seeing that impact as a result of this. I've already explained you that it's a very simple minimalistic approach, working in partnership with the government, working with the mobile technology, working with a CMS content management system, working with a CMS that is very very customized. The technology is on .NET framework using C#, XML and SQL Server. We are upgrading this as the handsets and the others change. By the way, what kind of handset and mobile set is available with every woman, that is also recorded. And the impact data is also recorded. So therefore, where the institutional delivery took place. The fact that there has been an increase in tremendously in the institutional delivery. The technology also has helped arrange for the transportation because as I said, that the villages are very, very geographically dispersed. So there's a transportation that needs to be arranged for the women. So the ASHA worker is helped and assisted by Data Mission Foundation health worker and using the mobile alert. the transportation facility so that the pregnant woman is taken to the health facility for her delivery. Chairman, sir, okay. I've already explained you this, reminders about specific tests and all that. Number of women benefited. So we have two control group, the pregnant women and the after child registrations. This is the data. The women, people who are benefiting are also community health workers, families of the targeted women, the in-laws, the husband. There are messaging for each one of them. They have to be told about their duties and responsibility vis-a-vis a pregnant woman as well as vis-a-vis a new mother. That is being communicated. Indicators. Tremendous improvement in the vaccination coverage. The full immunization schedule is again delivered. अब आपके बच्चे का BCG का टीकाकरण का समय आ गया है, उसको नज़दीक के स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में लेकर BCG का टीकाकरण कराएं या DPT, measles, hepatitis, Japanese encephalitis. Breastfeeding. This is what we are seeing that when we compare with the earlier data, and this is not an anecdotal evidence, it's a well-recorded evidence, 45% of the covered women are initiating breastfeeding within half an hour of the delivery because of the consistent messaging after 4 hours, after 3 days. Taking weights of the newborn babies with the ASHA workers and the other. Same day within 24 hours, 55% of the covered women who have delivered are taking the weight of the babies. Within 3 days, 35%. Later than 7 days, so there's a very small group which is not able to do that. And I have much more impact data that has been shared. Sufficient for now to say is that we believe that we are on the right approach and we would like to scale up the program in areas in particular which continue to have poor MCH indicators. Thank you for this opportunity.